Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Meron po tayong good news na nakuha, yung grant of proposing up to 5 days of wellness leave for eligible government officials and employees. Nako, approved na po ito ng Civil Service Commission. Ito po ay dahil ito ay naka-inline sa Republic Act number 11036 or the Mental Health Act. Nako, kung kay ganda naman po, kailan ba natin ito magagamit? In a press release on Tuesday, the CEC identified mental health as priority area for workplace health promotion interventions. The wellness leave is a proactive response to the realities faced by our workforce today by giving employees the space to rest, recover, and care for themselves. We reinforce a public service environment that is compassionate, resilient, and more responsive to the needs of the Filipino people. Ito ang sabi ng Civil Service Commission. Sa pag-approve dito ay nag-release ang Civil Service ng guidelines on the availment period, allowable purposes, application and approval process, and confidentiality of the grant. So, tingnan po natin kung ano nga ba ito at paano ito gagamitin. Sabi dito, the wellness leave may be taken consecutively for a maximum of 3 days at a time or on separate consecutive days. Okay, pwedeng consecutive pero maximum lang na 3 araw. The leave is non-cumulative, non-transferable, and forfeited if not used within the calendar year. Nako, okay na rin yun kasi kung wala kang sick leave credits or leave credits ay okay na rin yan. So the CEC also said that the allowable purposes of the leave are limited to mental health care, physical wellness activities, or a general break from work. So kung kailan mo gusto, pero tingnan pa natin. No existing leave benefits such as vacation or sick leave will be replaced. So ganun pa rin. So kadagdagang leave lang siya, As for the application and approval process, the CEC noted the request for wellness leave must be recommended by the employee's immediate supervisor and then submitted to the agency head for approval. The same procedure for filing vacation or sick leave will be followed. Ayun. The request must be filed 5 days before the intended date of availment, the CEC said. Emergency cases may be filed once the employee reports back to work. The Commission also assured that the wellness leave applicant's health information will be processed in compliance with the Data Privacy Act of 2012 to promote a safe space for employees. The policy will take effect 15 days after its publication and general circulation, followed by an official advisory announcing its publication and effectivity date. So kahapon lang ito nag-start tapos meron pang 15 days. So plus 15 days, sabihin natin 10. So sa mga hahabol sa 2025, pwede siguro ito sa last days ng year 2025. Okay guys, kung napakagandang balita nito kasi pag wala ka ng leave credits, pwede mong magamit itong ating wellness break. Minsan kasi hindi tayo nabibigyan ng pagkakataon na makapagserbisyo na merong leave credits. At kung gusto nating magpahinga, ay hindi natin nga ito nagagawa dahil nga sa wala tayo nitong leave credits. Kaya okay na rin na merong wellness. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.